Almost 70% of the students who just reach the high school think about doing the self-study because there is a proof, right? You've done the basics in mathematics now, you just need to do the self-study so that you can literally get the higher level concepts on your own. But that's the biggest myth that they can think about. See, every time you do the self-study, it's gonna leave you with a conscious doubt of, did I done enough? Did I got it enough? Because you have no support from what you actually want to do and which part you would like to do, because you're really lazy enough to go with the textbooks and read every page that exists. So in this case, you're gonna go and hire a tutor. Of course, that's a very best choice. Right here, the tutor will gonna guide you in one direction, like what you exactly need to do the mastery, but still you're the one who need to do the mastery, right? So every time you choose to do the self-study for yourself, you must own a strategy or a system that keeps you on track without giving the distraction. So there's where I come in with this video to exactly help you with what you need to do to optimize your study hours for its max to reach the same goals that you set for yourself. So let's get into the video. Alright, the thing goes this way. Every time a student goes with a concept, they might sit with it for at least 30 minutes. In this case, those 30 minutes, the brain will say, I completed. So I knew what you did. It's a fake reward, by the way. Because math is kind of a subject where it stays volatile all the time. You need to learn the math, you need to own a strategy. It's not really like, I'm sounding really scary. It's simple as it is. If you're locking in for yourself to get the real good grades, you must follow a strategy that works for its best. And let me show you how. So there are two cases, one who is with a tutor, another one who is doing the entire study for themselves. So right here, both the cases are fine. Finding a tutor will help you to reach the same goal a little more faster, but still you are the one who need to do the work for yourself. So here we go. The very first thing, every time you read or learn any new concept, it's most important for you to take the gap, an intentional gap for every 15 to 20 minutes. Sit with it intentionally and talk to yourself in a real casual word. Okay, this concept, do this. So this is what exactly I'm learning. Once you've done this thing, you got the clarity over what you're doing. So your brain start to think like this, okay, I got it. Now go on to the next process. Do this break within 1 hour or 2 hours, that's fine. So right here, you don't really feel like, you're doing a lot of work. So that's the best part of it. Now, every time you see an example problem doing it, do it. Do it with a pen, real pen. Say it in your head. This is how this concept works, just the theory part, okay? The visualization must be done with the theory part. And the last step, include your practice hours within your study hours. Don't keep another extra hour to do the practice and all. Just keep your practicing within your study hours. Do at least 5, 10 different kind of problems. I meant different kind of problems. Every time you see a new kind of problem, the brain cell wakes up to say, okay, I didn't know this thing. Is this also in this context? Now, there's where you recheck on your concept within the same study hours that you set for yourself so that you can say, okay, I got this. Okay, let me quickly get back and look into the pages because you're so much familiar with what you just learned. You know every bit of information. So you're going to get back to the actual page and, recheck over the information. Now you're fine with every kinds of problems that can come up with this concept. Fine, that's it. That's all you exactly need to do. But the pro tip that you need to take right here is every time you learn a very new concept, it's most important for you to take a nap. Right after it will be great, but at least like 8 hours of sleep. It's mandatory. Every time you knew something, you learn something, the brain needs to send it to your memory. It takes a little bit more time in your sleep. So sleep well. If you've done the 1 hour mastery, sleep it at least for 30 minutes. Trust me, you're never going to forget. This will stay with you for the entire life. Even you're going to make use of this information in your future, like you knew this thing from nowhere, but this is something that you did intentionally to make it as your memory with whatever the new concepts that you learn using mathematics. So that's pretty much for this video. So if you're a student watching this thing or a parent, feel free to reach out to me to take any help for the test preparation or tutoring in the mathematics. You can find the link in description. Thank you so much for watching the video and I'll see you soon in the next one.